Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make the Origami Bird Base. So you need a square sheet of paper or origami paper. Any printer paper you cut it into a square will do. I'll show you that in Origami for Beginners video. Okay, so it's a square, right? Now this end and this end are going to meet. You flip it over, you pull it down and make it like a triangle. Okay, then you just crease it, you open it up, now you make it into a rectangle. The reason why it's so easy in the video is because I already pre-creased everything. Now you open it back up, back to that triangle. Next, where this crease is right here, you could see, you're gonna pull this flap, you're gonna go inside it, and then you're gonna push down along there. And then now you got this right here. You're just gonna push down on it. Then you got your diamond shape. Same thing for this side. So what you're gonna do is pull this flap down to where the crease is. And then you would just push down on that. With that, I already wanted to go down. So next, you're gonna pull this flap up to meet this crease. You could see. And then you just crease really good along this. Use your nail and go across. Same for this side. This bird base helps you a lot in all the other origami. Some origami you need this bird base and you need to learn how to make it. So after that, what you do is pull this down, go across like this, both sides. Then you do it again. Then you open this up. Sorry, the paper's moving so much. Okay. Now you got this, right? So where your previous creases are, you just push down on this. And then it'll all go up already for you. So you do that. Then now you have this. Now all you do is do it again for the same side. So you open this up. Pull the flap down. If you guys already know how to do this part, you saw me just do it, then just go skip ahead. Then now you push down and you have your Origami Bird Base. So yeah, it's the bird base. So right here on my hand will be the link for the origami crane tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.